Life doesn't ask you whether you want to or not, and it teaches it. It teaches you to fight, to fall, to stand up and do it again if you have to. You'll never ask if you're prepared. You teach me to let go, you accept, you teach you to fly, and you like it, or you don't. You won't care how much strength you feel within yourself. He'll punch you with what you know. You'll still get by, and believe me, you won't get a bigger burden. Just what you can handle. There are times when you feel you can't be crueler than that, and I understand. But believe me, he wants good. Your wisest teacher, who knows you and stands by you, because he shows not what he sees, but where he looks. Success Onpassive. Thank you, Mr. Ash Mufareh. Lado Imre, Romania.